Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom Harmonix, also known as Ardentia Harmonix, in Mythical Guardians. This powerful transformation requires dedication and completing several key steps. First, you'll need to reach level 10 by playing minigames and finishing daily tasks. Next, you must find the Ardentia base form by collecting 8 magical shards. Finally, you will unlock the ultimate Harmonix form through a challenging training sequence. Let's dive into the details of each step. To begin your journey towards Bloom Harmonix, your first goal is to reach level 10. This is crucial for unlocking the subsequent quests. You can level up by consistently playing various minigames available throughout the map. For instance, try the Smart Roots Library minigame, where you click white symbols as fast as possible. Another option is the Forest minigame, where you use your magic to destroy flying objects. Don't forget the Potion Mixture Station, where you combine ingredients in the right sequence to earn experience and rewards. Once you've reached level 10, the next step is to obtain the Ardentia base form. This involves a quest to find 8 scattered shards. Begin by locating a specific cave. You might need to enter a secret code, Hydranginger, to gain access. Inside, you'll discover a broken mirror, which will trigger the Shard Collection quest. These 8 shards are hidden throughout the game world. After successfully gathering all of them, return to the broken mirror to claim your well-earned Ardentia base form. The final stage to achieve Bloom Harmonix is unlocking its ultimate form. For this, you will need 2 special keys. Each key costs 5 orbs, meaning you'll need a total of 10 orbs to proceed. You can earn these valuable orbs by completing prophecies or through various in-game pulls. Once you have your keys, head to the Radicella location to begin the final form training. This challenging trial involves defeating multiple firewolves, culminating in an epic battle against the formidable ancient Skyland dragon. Good luck, Guardian!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.